Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Redis Enterprise using export tools, beginner guide step by step clearly. Before starting the backup process, ensure you have access to your Redis Enterprise instance. Log into your Redis Enterprise Management Console. Navigate to the specific database you wish to backup. In the database view, locate the export option. Click on the export option to begin the backup process. Select the format you wish to export your data in, such as RDB or AOF. Specify the destination for the exported file. You may choose to store the backup on your local machine or a cloud service. If needed, configure any additional export settings according to your requirements. After setting up your export options, confirm your choices. Once confirmed, initiate the export process. Monitor the progress of the backup in the management console. Depending on the size of your database, this may take some time. Once the export is complete, you will receive a notification. Check the designated destination for the exported backup file. It's advisable to verify the integrity of the backup file after exporting. Consider automating the backup process for future exports through scheduled tasks. Regularly backup your Redis Enterprise databases to ensure data safety. After successfully backing up, maintain a log of your backup files for reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.